Hi guys! Today I'm cleaning the under the sink cabinet, which I've been planning for a very long time. And I'm also going to give you an empty house tour of our new apartment later in this video. So I'm basically removing everything in it so that I could clean the space entirely, and I'm sweeping it first, then I'm going to mop its floors. This is actually part of my deep cleaning the kitchen for the last time in this house, and if you haven't watched the video of me cleaning the entire kitchen, I'm going to put the link on the upper right hand corner of the screen. If you don't want me, then just say yes. Instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long, you're gonna act like you ain't say it. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You're trying to play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. Now, I'm spraying this antibacterial spray on the entire area, and I'm going to let it sit for at least 10 minutes. After that, I'm going to brush the tile grout with a toothbrush. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up. So drink it up. Drink it up. You said you didn't mean it, that you went too far, trying to act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up, but baby, I think not. All those late night conversations when you said you want my... The grimes and grease which formed around the tiles are so hard that I had to use the Thieves household cleaner for me to try and remove them completely. However, since I was in a hurry this time, I wasn't able to entirely remove them, but I'm still happy that I was able to give it a good brush. Hi guys, so my husband just called and it's already nighttime, and fortunately I was able to finish the entire kitchen, but I still have to cook dinner for us. So my husband is coming home a little later and we're going to the new house because we're going to transfer some stuff. Actually, all of these boxes, if you can see, wait. The small one, this one, this one, this one as well. So how many boxes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these 2 storage boxes, we're going to transfer them. So we have 6 items to transfer tonight. And I'm so tired already, but we still have to keep it moving so that tomorrow we can finish the rest of the stuff. So what I'm going to do now is to cook dinner for us, but I have to show you first what happened to the under the sink cabinet. So I've already finished cleaning it and I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like. I just wiped everything. I didn't do an extreme cleaning or a deep cleaning on our sink. I just removed some of the dirt which can be seen this far. So, but if you're going to look closely, you'll still see that the towel grout is very dirty and it has grease on it. I didn't wipe this one because I'm kind of in a hurry. I just put all the plastics inside a plastic bag, and these stuff already came with the house when we came here, and I don't want to remove them because probably they're going to use it. I don't know, but these stuff are all ours, so I'm going to bring them tomorrow, but I'll still be using them until tomorrow. So I didn't pack these yet, and this is it, you guys. Anyway, I have to say goodbye now. I'm still glad that I was able to completely clean the kitchen. I'm very happy that I was able to wipe everything and I was able to clean the under the sink cabinet, which I've been planning for a very long time. And too bad that the one time that I was able to clean it is when we're about to leave the house. Anyway, I'm still excited. Tonight we're going to the new house and I'm so excited to see it again. And little by little, we will be able to put stuff inside. Anyway, good night, guys.
I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe and I feel okay. I got nothing to do but kick it with you. I'm on the way down. Catch the vibe.
So this is our living area. As you can see, we only have a very small apartment, but the difference with this one and our previous apartment is that this is a separate living room and bedrooms, and it has 2 bedrooms in it. It still has a big glass door and window, which I love. It has a wooden tile floor and crisp white walls and an open plan living space. This is going to be our bedroom. The entire floor in both of the 2 bedrooms are carpeted, and I can tell that the carpets are not tired and old. It has a large window, which I also love because I love letting sunlight in every morning. There is an average sized closet. The closet that we have in our old apartment is a lot bigger than this one, but I think I can try and put all of our clothes and linens here. One of the things that I instantly love about this house is the modern design bath. It has 2 sinks because the laundry is combined in here. I still like it because it has a separate sink for the laundry. Our landlord is yet to fix the heat lights, so it has heat lights in the fan and also the regular light inside, so we wouldn't have to worry about spending winter in this house. I love that it has lots of storage space. Under the 2 sinks are large cabinets where we can put all of our bath and laundry supplies. And unlike the previous one that we have in our old apartment, the floors of this under the sink cabinets are not the actual floor of the bath, so it's easier to clean. This towel rack can also be heated up so that we can dry our towels after we use them. Now, let's head over to our small but gorgeous kitchen. What I love here the most are the modern cabinets and the splashback tiles. This area is actually my most favorite part of this house, and this room together with the bath is what sold this out for me. It has a wider countertop, which means I don't have to move a lot of stuff just so I can have a working space. The sink is a bit small but deeper than the previous house, and I love the faucet. The stove is built in, so I don't have to worry about using the gas mate. And although there is no pantry cabinet, there are a lot of storage space here, so I will be designating some of the cabinets for our spices and other food supplies. I'm thinking about putting all of our pots and pans in this cabinet because it's so wide and deep. I can put a lot of stuff in here actually.
Letting loose the loose in it, low key like a seal mission. Choked up in a submission, you so fucked up our hearts when the lights.
I'm going to put all of our cleaning supplies in this under the sink cabinet, which I also love because it is a lot easier to clean.
I'm not looking for a one night. You're not looking for a love life. Maybe we can have a good time.
I'm going to put our glass jars and all the other food supplies up here. This cabinet is too high for me, so I'm gonna be needing a small ladder or something to step onto just so I can reach this comfortably.
Stay chilly with a stone face. Shoot my shot like what's up, but I draw blanks. Go getter, I'm a gorilla. Got my set some gold chains. There's a lot I don't.
I also love that this has a kitchen hood, so I won't have to worry about the smoke or smell of the foods that I'm cooking.
Fuck it then, I be out acting like she right. Feeling like she just moving on my homies out of spite. Give a fuck about it, find another one I like. Let you know about it, yeah. When the night's not controlling you, so when you get up and you leave, but I don't wanna see what you open to. Like the renegade life, but I don't, yeah. I don't.
Last but not least, this is the second bedroom of this house. It's actually almost the same size as the other bedroom, so the two rooms are almost identical. I'm so excited for this new house and I can't wait to decorate the entire house already. We have already brought in a lot of our stuff inside and tomorrow we will be bringing the rest of it. Join me in decorating this house in my next videos to come and I can't wait to share it with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video!